So one of the biggest challenges that we're seeing today is with supply chain delays and being able to ship products back overseas that may require some type of repair or service cycle. Traditionally, a lot of major markets have relied on lower cost countries to send products back to get serviced and repaired. These typically require a longer lead time to ship via container and to go back through that cycle. Given some of the challenges that we're seeing with COVID and the container shortage, this is causing a huge lead lag to be able to get product back to market and in the hands of the customers. And so we're seeing a lot of our customers start to explore nearshoring alternatives, which is essentially taking those offshore practices of an offshore repair center, logistics hub, and being able to bring it closer to the home base within a regional structure to be able to shorten the cycle times to get product back. So Quest can assist our customers with nearshoring and onshoring strategies by leveraging any of our global service and logistics hubs and being able to essentially go through a transfer protocol to replicate a service line that may be offshore into any one of our facilities that we have.